Students, as you know that in our English class, chapter number 7 of book Behive is going on, and the name of chapter is Packing, and it is written by Zaram K. Zaram. Zaram K. Zaram, who is a writer, an English writer of Buddhist stories, and he has written a novel, Three Men in a Boat, and this chapter, Packing, is an extract taken from that novel, Three Men in a Boat. In these three friends are there. First is Zaram, the writer himself, along with his two friends, George, Harris, and one pet dog, Montmorency, all went on a sea trip. But before going on a sea trip, how they did preparations, how they did packing. So this chapter is completely based on the incident, then how they did packing. So in this chapter, in previous session, we have read that as Zaram started packing. Actually, Zaram was having a overconfidence on his packing. Then he started boasting. Then he was perfect in packing. So because of this boasting, he had to do this. So all the responsibility of packing fell on him, and he had to pack alone. He started packing, and when he packed all the things in a bag and he tied the straps of this, then he remembered that his boots were left outside, and he had to reopen the bag. As he packed the boot inside, then and again he tied up the bag. Then he remembered that and he was confused actually. Then toothbrush was packed by him or not. Then he reopened the bag again, and then as he found that toothbrush was inside the boot. And now as he packed the bag again, so he got confused. Then he kept his spectacles inside the bag. So for getting spectacles, he had to reopen the bag again. And it means after packing again and again, he became irritated. So as he became irritated, now George and Harris, who were enjoying and sitting lazily, now George told Zaram that he would do the rest packing. So after this, because now George reminded and asked Zaram then if he packed the soap or not. So on this statement, Zaram got angry. So George took all the responsibility of packing. So after this, George and Harry started packing. Now how they did packing and their packing was successful or not, all these points we will come to know in today's explanation. But before moving towards explanation, let's have a look on the hard parts. Loll. Loll means sit or stand lazily. Messing. Messing means creating confusion. Slaving. Slaving means working like a slave. Strap. Strap means tied with straps. Horrible. Horrible means fearful. Perspiration. Perspiration means sweat. Mortal. Mortal means ordinary. And the key points which we are going to cover in today's explanation are as situation becomes worse. Montmorency joins the packing and end of packing. So here let's see the detail of these points. Now situation becomes worse. So as I told you, Zaram was packing, and now here once he packed all the things, he had to reopen the bag, and second time he had to open the bag, and he forgot another thing than as first boots, then after that toothbrush. When he packed the toothbrush, he forgot to keep spectacles. So all these things were going on very messy, and Zaram got irritated. And now George also took responsibility to do packing. So in this way, then here for Zaram, condition became worse. So he got irritated, and now he gave all the responsibility to Zaram. Zaram gave all the responsibility to George and Harris. Now George and Harris, they also committed a lot of mistakes while packing. They broke cups, put things behind them, and couldn't find when they needed them, it means they were packing, but now as they were keeping one thing there and they forgot after keeping, and now here very confusing packing was done by George and Harris. It means that we can say that comparatively they were weaker than Zeram in packing. So as they didn't know that how to keep things in a proper order. They were keeping light things on the bottom and heavier things on the top of the light things, and in this way they spoiled many things, and now they were stepping on the things and many things were spoiled and broke, so they got a great loss. So it means they were also failed to do a proper and successful packing. Now the next point, Montmorency. So here even as we read that Montmorency is also having a important role in the story. So when Zeram, George and Harris, they were doing packing, so here how Montmorency could be left behind. He also came and sat down on the things, put his leg into the jam and scattered the teaspoons. He went into the hamper and attacked 3 lemons. Actually he thought that those were not 3 lemons, they were rats. He attacked on them as considering them rats. So as he was scattering things here and there, and as he was smiling and he was taking things, so some things then already George and Harris were confused, and another great confusion was created by Montmorency. So after that he was made run away by Harris. Now end of packing. Finally then George and Harris did a lot of efforts. In these efforts they broke many things, they spoiled many things, and even this packing was not successful even by them. But finally the packing was ended late in the night at 12:50 am. Now 3 friends were very tired and decided to sleep. Now before sleeping they had an argument about when to wake up in the morning, because it was already very late and next day in the morning they have to move out. So earlier they decided that they would wake up next morning early in the morning and they would start their journey very soon, but now already it was so late. So they made an argument about this, and finally George decided to make them wake up and they went for sleeping. So students, now in this part we have seen that as situation became worse, how then as Zeram was also doing first packing alone, so that's why he got irritated, because nobody was cooperating him, nobody was helping him from George and Harris. Now Zeram was doing alone, so he had to manage all the things alone, and when he got confused and he had to reopen the bag again and again, he got confused and he became irritated. But later on, as this responsibility was taken by George and Harris, but the same condition was there, even we can say that condition became more problematic, and Montmorency then, who was also a great contributor in creating problems, in increasing problems, so all these problems were increased by all the persons one by one. So but finally here packing was done and they decided to move out next day on the train. So this was a very we can say this part and this chapter is full of or having very funny and amusing things, and in this funny and humorous way, then all these 3 characters along with the Montmorency packed all the things and they were ready for the trip. So students, along with this, now chapter has completed. I hope that you have understood the chapter. Still, if you get any problem, any query, you are welcome to ask, And now complete your notes on time and revise the chapter. Thank you very much.